Hello guys, welcome back to Codemy, Computer Coding Academy. My name is Shri Bhagwat and I have been making videos on tutorials, application development, podcasts, tech languages, which language you should study in 2022. Recently we started with our podcast and I thought of creating one. Date right now is 31st, so it is actually end of the year. I wanted to create this video a few days ago but was busy in my schedule, so there wasn't much time left on my hand. But better late than never, as they say. This year has been a nice year for me. It was filled with kind of a emotional roller coaster ride that I went through in this year. For starters, one of the biggest thing that happened in my life is that I got married to the love of my life. Yes, that was one of the most beautiful thing that happened to me. We were dating from 3 years, and then we decided that now there is no time in waiting ahead and let's things forward. So we informed our parents, and then we got married. The wedding was very nice. It happened just at 5th of December. So very busy after that, and also before the wedding to arrangements and do all the arrangements and everything. So this is kind of a recap video, a podcast of my recap video of 2021. What all good things happened, taking in consideration with the pandemic that hit us 2 years ago, the coronavirus, and most of the companies and most of the fields were affected by it. Taking consideration from the schools were closed, the hospitals were flooded with people, the virus were affecting, and the virus was spreading immensely. Theaters, hotels, everything was locked down. There were no people on the streets. Everyone was worried and everyone has had closed themselves inside the houses. So it was kind of a terrible thing that we all had to go through, and many of the people lost their jobs. Worse, many of the people lost their lives. People who were close to us, who we used to have a talk now and then, were suddenly no more. Somewhere down the line we all realized that life is precious and we all have to love life and be good to each other, because we never know what tomorrow will bring to us, or tomorrow will bring to us. Yes, hard work is important. We all must do hard work, but somewhere down the line, we should also take care of ourselves when things are bad outside and when bad things were happening outside. The one thing I realized most, that your only close friends and family people are the only one who come to our help. Stay close to them, always help them, help each other. That's what I learned in this year. We all lost someone, but then this is life. We cannot be stuck to what happened. We cannot be clinging to the past, because no matter how hard we cling, it is already gone, and moving on is the best solution. So, coming to the good things that happened to me in this year, as you all know, I have been coding and doing applications from 5 years right now. I started my application career from Swift and then slowly upgraded myself. I practiced being a self taught programmer. There wasn't much direction or guide that I got. Everything I learned was from Googling stuff or watching some YouTube videos here and there. And there was not much content available for me. Maybe lack of my search knowledge, or I was not knowing much. But then I decided to create this YouTube channel so that students who want to learn programming, for them to find what they are looking for. And then I used to take client projects. I used to take projects of my friends whom they needed some IT support in their websites, or let's say they wanted to create an application. And slowly, I enrolled myself on freelancing websites like Upwork and Fiverr, those kinds of websites, and I got good projects from them. As I also started taking classes where I used to teach students programming languages, like, because I realized that the syllabus that we have in a college is very outdated and it should be updated, because right now companies need in new language and recent frameworks. Also, 3 years or 3.5 years ago, I got to know about Flutter, and it completely blew my mind, and I switched there. Then from since that time, I've been just working on in Flutter and slowly building my career. On 3rd of Jan 2021, I finally got my own office, a 1,000 square feet office where we had 3 rooms, 3 to 4 rooms, a classroom where I could teach students as well as my team and me. We can work there. I had a personal cabin that time. I still have it. I started working there. I got even more client projects. Then I registered as a private limited company and everything was running nicely. And then again, the second wave of COVID hit us and we had to close the office and all my staff had to work from home. It's good, the staff is still working, the things are still getting done. I haven't left the office, we are still paying the rent, but the office is closed. All of my staff is working from home. Good staff doing their work dedicatedly. Sometimes I do think that why am I wasting my money in rent if work from home is working so nicely, but then you never know. Office environment actually enhances the work very nicely, so I've kept that office. In future I'm going to go there. This is just my home office that I've created for myself, so that if I am busy or if I just feel like I have to work from home, then I should have the setup present at my home as well. The one of the biggest news that I have to give is that finally this year I got married to the love of my life, and yeah, it's just been a month. I just got married on 5th of December 2021. We have been dating for 3 years. It was secret dating stuff because I haven't told my friends or my family members that we were dating. Then when I informed them, they were like, if it is running so smoothly, then why wait? And then we decided that, okay, let's go ahead. So we got married, and these 2, 3 things were one of the most important things that happened in my life. Career wise, I had a very nice, very nice growth. Having your own office, completing 50 plus applications, getting clients from abroad, like let's say USA, Canada, Australia, Europe. That really helped me in increasing my networks. In many new people came into contact. I also hired nice developers so that I can get some free time and build my own strategy on how I can develop my company, how I can set a bigger and higher goal in my life. Decided that I should focus on my YouTube channel, and that's why I started creating tutorials. Recently, I again started on with Twitter. I don't know why I wasn't active on Twitter. I created my account in 2011 and I just had 100 followers. Maybe those were friends and family members, not family members, but just friends. And I thought this September I should give some more importance on Twitter because somewhere down the line, Twitter is good. One more good news was that I became a technical editor at Ray Winderlich. Ray Winderlich holds a very special place in my heart because when I started learning how to build apps, the blogs on Ray Winderlich had a huge impact on me. They were very precise, very nice. There was not much confusion when the blogs were written. The code was working. So for me, it was easier to understand from the Ray Winderlich tutorials. And when you get a chance to serve at a place which has brought you to a level, it actually helps you and it actually makes you feel even more better. So I got this opportunity where I became a Flutter technical editor where I have to edit and check the code of the author. I was honored by this. I also had a private chat with Ray, honest, who is very nice and cool guy. And having a chat with Ray made me realize why it is so good and why they are at such a high position. Actually, if in this September, somewhere on the line, I felt that it is my time that I should give back to the community what I've learned, and this was the reason that I started. I focused more prominently on my YouTube channel, more prominently on Twitter. I share threads on Twitter about short threads about how you can enhance your programming, what you should do, how you can better yourself. You can follow me on Twitter. You can follow this channel, and in future I'll be creating more such videos where I will be talking about Flutter, talking about other new emerging technologies, talking about how you can build your career out of it. I in the end of December I just got one more offer from Stratzy. It's a Indian fintech startup, and I am there as their Flutter consultant. I consult the team, I help. Those two guys are also very nice, Gaurav and Mohit, very dedicated, very hardworking. Recently, my network has grown very nicely, very largely, and it makes me happy. So these are few of the things that happened. That is how my year was. I actually hope 2022 becomes one of the best years for everyone. It fills all the slack that we had in the past 2 years. Everyone achieves what they wish for, everyone works hard for what they wish for. My resolution don't have been, I don't keep any resolution because I don't believe that 31st and 1st of Jan are too big, huge difference for me. Each day is same, and to me I am a believer of one day or day one. So whatever comes to my mind I start itself on that day or the next day, but I don't like to wait saying, oh, one day I will achieve it. No, I just start it immediately and I start achieving my goals. So I don't have a kind of a resolution for 2022, but yes, I have kept in my mind to increase my focus on YouTube channels, to increase my focus on Twitter, and this 2022 will be a giving back year, at least for me. I would most likely give back to the community, from such a great community that I've learned so good, and to help my fellow developers. I'm also planning to create a free education system. Education should be free of cost. Now we have such nice technologies, such everything is available outside for free. Then why should we charge it? So I'm personally believing that education should be free, and creating a community where we can help each other very nicely with complete heart, wholeheartedly. Please subscribe to my channel. I will be talking on such topics. I'll be teaching tutorials, app development, programming. If you haven't subscribed till now, please click on the subscribe button, like this video, share this video. You can also share how your 2021 was in the comments below. I would give a shout out in my next video whose 2021 was one of the best 2021 which I have been through. I would like to conclude this video by telling you a short story about Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein formerly says to Heisenberg that they have a ship in West which has all the luxuries, all the equipments present out there, but misses the compass, and that's why it doesn't know where it has to go. So yes, speed is important, but give direction to that speed no matter how slow you're going. But if you're going in a right direction, it will help you.